So we're on to the finalists in Category 3 now, projects with a value between $5 million and $20 million. And the winner is Downer NZ, Tekapo A Intake Gate.
Downer New Zealand for Tekapo A Intake Gate. The Tekapo A Intake Gate project for Genesis Energy is a unique engineering project that will protect one of the South Island's key hydropower schemes in the event of emergencies. The project was to construct and install a 50-ton gate that will allow Genesis to stop inflows that could send up to 680 million tonnes of water surging downstream.
Wow, I've never won anything like this before. This was an extremely important project for our client Genesis Energy, not only to protect their assets and infrastructure, but also everything downstream of Tekapo A, just in case of a seismic event, which potentially could be happening in the next 30 to 50 years, depending on who you listen to. I'm feel extremely proud and privileged to be part of this project. I was a project manager on there. I just want to say thank you to all the subs and the sales suppliers. If I reel them all off, I'll be here for quite a while. But I just want to particularly say thanks to Downer New Zealand on-site team and off-site and their support. I want to say thanks to Mike Campbell and Genesis Energy for all his team in Auckland, Hamilton and Tekapo A and Gate. And yeah, thanks to CCNZ, thanks to Hirepool, thanks to judges. Thank you for this award. Thank you.